Hello everyone. When you are developing your project, sometimes you are required to perform some operations that you may find difficult depending on the language you're currently using. See this example. I have a 10 positions array called int_var, and I want to initialize this array with some value whenever my execute variable has a true value. For this reason, you can agree with me that it may be a little tricky in ladder logic, so we're gonna use a special block on Mastertool which is called execute. So I'm gonna place on the next network, and here I'm gonna enter my ST code. So the code, I'm gonna just paste the code which I already created, and it's a simple for loop. So I'm going to go through all my array and initialize all the positions with the value 20. Okay, so I will enable my execute with my execute variable. Okay, so now I can log in on the simulator. I'm going to start the simulator. Okay, so you can see here, if I expand my int_var variable, which is a 10 positions array, you see that all values are 0. So what this execute function will do in this case is that in all the positions I'm gonna have the value 20 when I change the value of the execute variable to the value true. So let's see. I'm gonna change and write true on my execute variable, pressing Ctrl plus F7. Yes. Okay, so now if I expand my int_var again, I see that all the positions of my array, now they have the value 20. So with the execute block, you can easily integrate ST functions inside your ladder program.